Well, welcome to DIY Woodworking India. So today I have got some time. Now it's already 8 o'clock at night. I just want to show you my jigsaw. Right, so this is my jigsaw. It's Black and Decker. So this is the button for speed. Yet you have to push it just like a gun, and you can see another switch over here. It's again a push button using which you can lock the speed. So another thing is this part is you can say suction valve, where you can fit the your vacuum cleaner, which will suck all the dust out. And alright, so this is the blade currently connected. There are different kinds of blade available. When I went to Bosch showroom, they could give me two types of blades of different thickness to cut different types of wood. And finally, okay, let me see if I can find any more details. It's 450 watt KS600E. Yep, that's it. It can be operated in 220 to 240 volt, 50 or 60 hertz frequency. That's it. Thank you.